whenever I'm going in here, and T's experienced this as well, like with the things without the hydraulic lifts, with the doors just being loose like this, man, I always have a tough time because I got to have a way to hold the door open and get my stuff out. And, you know, T will come over and hold it for me, or I'll come over here and hold hers open for her, but it's just a pain in the butt. And on our trailer, we didn't get the hydraulic lifts installed with the trailer. So we've just been living like this. And the big thing for me is like scratching my hand and getting my hand squished in this thing, because that would happen so many times. So we found the hydraulic lifts and we're like, oh, okay, you can install them yourselves and just order those. But they're pretty expensive, and also you have to know how to measure correctly, and it's pretty mathematical as far as making sure that they work correctly when you install them. A lot of people have tried to install them themselves and they don't work correctly, or you have to reinstall them a bunch of times. So we found a way to make it happen, and here's how we did it. Camco 2-pack. So 2, you can get them in black or white. And then all you need are the command hook stickies. We're using the ones right here that take up to 5 pounds. These are baggage door catches. These usually go on the outside, but you can use them in here for this situation. You take a baggage latch, you grab some command hook stickies, you command hook it up top so that you don't have to drill into the RV. Once you command hook it up, then all you got to do is open your door, latch it, and booyah, there you go, hold it open. I mean, you guys, this is like a simple, easy, inexpensive solution. The links are in the description so you can get these 2 items right now and make this happen for yourself in your RV. And then of course it's super convenient, because then if you ever remove it, you can just pull the command tab and everything's gonna be left clean as a whistle. So that's how you do it. Super easy to make it happen. The links for both of these products are in the description right now. We'll see you next time.